Happy World Nature Conservation Day! Nature is very essential for our economy, society, and existence. Our forests, rivers, oceans, and soils provide us with food, air, water, etc. We depend only on nature for our health, happiness, and prosperity. Nature is an important and integral part of mankind. It is one of the greatest blessings for human life. However, nowadays humans fail to recognize it as one. Nature has been inspiration for numerous poets, writers, artists, and more. Essentially, nature is everything we are surrounded. It is rich and consists of both living and non-living things. Therefore, all people should also learn something and start valuing nature. Nature has been in existence long before humans and ever since it has taken care of mankind and nourished it forever. Survival of mankind without nature is impossible, and humans need to understand that. If nature has the ability to protect us, it is also powerful enough to destroy the entire mankind. So we have to conserve every form of nature like plants, animals, rivers, mountains, etc. We fulfill our healthy lifestyle by eating and drinking healthy, which nature gives us. Similarly, it provides us with water and food that enables us to do so. Rainfall and sunshine, the two most important elements to survive, are derived from nature itself. Further, the air we breathe and the wood we use for various purposes are a gift of nature only. But with technological advancements, some people are not paying attention to nature. So we have the need to conserve nature. In order to conserve nature, we must take drastic steps right away to prevent any further damage. The most important step is to prevent deforestation at all levels. Cutting down of trees has serious consequences in different spheres. It can cause soil erosion easily and also bring a decline in rainfall on a major level. Polluting ocean water must be strictly prohibited. If we pollute nature, it causes global warming, which causes thermal expansion and melting of glaciers on our own. Means we are only spoiling our own nature. Nature is very essential for our survival and we need to conserve it. So let's join our hands and conserve our nature. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.